They stopped me and said, "Cycle not allowed, boss." So I parked my bike, paid 850 rupees, and jumped into a jeep with strangers. On the way, rivers flowing, greenery everywhere, and monkeys looking at me like I'm the tourist. Finally, reached this huge parking lot, and I grabbed my life jacket and started walking. After 10 minutes of walk, I could see a beautiful girl and also beautiful waterfall. Then I said, "Wow, what an amazing." This is the Dudhsagar waterfall.